everyone, so we're working on our letter home today. If your letter homepage does not look like this one, then you can refer to the other video. There's two different versions. So we're gonna write in all our information for our letter home. You can use your webbing page and your definitions page to help you with this the letter. You can also use your article. We'll just get right into it. So first we're gonna write dear. Who are we writing to? Most of us write to our moms.
Dear.
So I'm going to write Dear Mom. You can also write to whoever else you feel like. This week, the title of the newspaper was, so if you look in the middle of your webbing chart, the title of the article will be there. You can also look at the very top of your articles page. What is the title of our article? It is called Irwin Family Helps Animals. Oh, sorry, that might be a little hard to see. But yes, this week the title of the newspaper is Irwin Family Helps Animals. The people in the news were, so if you look in our webbing page, we are specifically talking about a group of people. I'll give you a moment to look for that. Who are we talking about? On the webbing page, you can see who. The people in the news were the Irwin family. They're a very popular family in Australia because they help a lot of animals and they own the big zoo there. I learned about a place called, where do we learn about? That would be under your where. We learned about a place called Australia Zoo. Australia is a country and also a continent. It's in its own little area. It's surrounded by water, and it is where the Irwin family is from. The next one says we made. So this one talks about the food we made this week. So everyone is different. I know if I think about the food that I made this week, I would say we made chicken, rice, salad, sandwiches. So any of those you can put. You can also write something that you did, you helped make with your family, or that you had a snack on. Any of those work. I learned 4 new words. So what were the 4 new words? If you look in your definitions page, it'll give you all 4 words that we worked on. So the first word, or one of the words, is family. Family are people that are related to you, like your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister. We learned the word help. Help is to give aid. You're supporting another person. The next word is wild animals. So wild animals are animals that live in the wilderness, such as lions, tigers, giraffes, koalas, kangaroos. All those animals are animals that are in the wild, not animals that you have in your home, like cats and dogs. And our last word is wildfire. And so wildfire is an uncontrolled fire that burns in the wilderness. Usually if there's like a lot of trees or a grassy area where it's really dry, fire can start and build very quickly. My favorite part of the paper was, and so everyone can be a little different on this one. I'm going to write, my favorite part of the paper was learning about the wild animal because I like to help animals. So my favorite part of the paper was learning about the wild animals because I like to help animals. I like to go to the zoo and see different animals. It's very interesting to see what kind of animals are in this world. I like to help animals, maybe by donating to the zoo so that other people can help take care of them because they're the professionals, right? Yeah, so that's what I liked. And if you liked something else, maybe you liked learning about the Irwin family, maybe you liked learning about what kinds of wild animals there are. Those are all valid answers. And we're going to write from your name. So let's read the letter together. Dear Mom, this week the title of the newspaper was Irwin Family Helps Animals. The people in the news were the Irwin family. I learned about a place called Australia Zoo. We made chicken, rice, salad, sandwiches. I learned 4 new words: family, help, wild animals, and wildfire. My favorite part of the paper was learning about the wild animals because I like to help animals. From your name.